Hey everyone! What's up? Today we're making an incredibly easy two-layer dessert. Your jelly can be any flavor you like. I went with orange because it was staring at me from the cupboard. Whisk it really well. Dissolving jelly powder in just 1 cup of hot water is a bit hard. Once it's completely dissolved, let it cool down. Seriously, if it's still warm, it'll sabotage the whole dessert. Whip the whipping cream until it's nice and fluffy. Then pour in the cooled jelly. At first you'll probably think, yeah, these two clearly won't mix together. Just keep mixing. Eventually they'll stop arguing and become one happy mixture. Pour it evenly into your glasses. And I mean evenly. Otherwise, if you have siblings, congratulations, you've just started a civil war over dessert portions. Now for the coffee mousse, aka Dalgona style mousse. Whisk the instant coffee, sugar, and water exactly in this ratio until it becomes thick and fluffy. Although, if I could go back in time, I'd add more sugar. Mine turned out a little too bitter. If you enjoy your coffee black, keep it exactly as it is. Your biscuits can be any flavor. Mine are coffee flavored because apparently I woke up and chose maximum coffee. I genuinely love this part. You can use an ice cream scoop like I did, a piping bag if you're feeling professional, or a spoon if you're too lazy. And there you go. dust a little cocoa powder on top. Now for the best part, the first bite. I swear Winky has a personal mission to ruin every single video I make. At this point, I'm convinced she's not my cat. She's my unpaid quality control manager. See you in the next video. Bye!